Since it's a pleasant morning today, so we had planned to go to
Khajjiar.
See, I had added one more word.
गरीब पे सेवा करी.
Anything you want to say?
Thank you.
See, two more words.
Have a nice trip.
Chalo.
वो तो
We started our trip around 10:20 am and by midway we were totally engulfed in clouds, and by which we were not able to see any landscape. But that's okay, it was still captivating and the temperature was dropping rapidly. Roads in this season seems risky and at many places there was landslide because of previous day rain. Remember, we were covering Chamba in rain? By the first glimpse of mountains covered with fresh snow, as a matter of fact, melted my heart, and I fell in love with it instantly. Soon we started seeing snow all around us, and at that time I got concerned about black ice. You know, the ice that's developed on the surface of a roadway. What if our car slipped? I had no experience of driving in such conditions, but local people assured us that there is no problem and also instructed us how to drive it. And the first instruction was no brake, which simply means drive extremely slow, and we did the same. There is an entrance fee here if you coming by your vehicle, and after we enter from the gates of Kalatop Khajjiar Wildlife Sanctuary, the real view of snow started. Let me enlighten you guys, I had never seen snow in my life. It was my first time, so you can understand how the kid in me jumping up and down and how much I was in state of awe. It can't be described in words. And still, this was just the trailer. We finally reached Khajjiar, and at that time the temperature was -2 degrees. Once a meadow which always surrounded by the other trees now seems like sleeping with whitest blanket. There was no sun, of course, and clouds were crossing the territory like some nomads and having brief affairs with the greens. Khajjiar is just 22 km from Chamba, and the best time to visit here is April to June. But since I already been here in April season in year 2017, so this time the plan was to see it in winters. Khajjiar is bestowed with the title of Mini Switzerland in 1992 by Mr. Willie T. Blaze, Vice Chancellor and Head Chancery of Switzerland in India, which means it is one of the 160 places in the world that bear tropical resemblance to Switzerland. So what you can do here in winters?
We had changed our shoes. Now we are ready to go into snow. Gaurav, how the Josh?
ऊपर आए.
Before you jump in the snow, rent these snowshoes. They charge like ₹100 for a pair, and it's going to help you a lot. Because if snow goes into your own shoes, they're surely going to ruin the trip. I'm not saying that in these snow will not go. Definitely it will go, but these don't get wet.
Man. My feet are burning. Oh my goodness.
I was surprised to see the horses are still available. If you want to ride, they charge around ₹500 for the round of Khajjiar. tubing activity is here. Just unleash your kid in you and slide. It was fun. Local kids bring these cute rabbits and you can have a photo with them. Of course, you need to pay for it. Bargain as much as you can. And yes, you can also eat cotton candies. Just sit near the lake, enjoy the view. Don't jump in it, or else you will be fined for ₹500. As this is just not an ordinary lake, it is believed that this belonged to God of Snakes. And there is also a 800-year-old temple of him, somewhere in between the hotels. But at this time, it was closed. Most of the shops and hotels are closed in this season. But still, there are roadside tea and Maggie stalls, so you can quench the jumping rats in your tummy. Apart from all this, we also did a small track here, which genuinely was not needed. Did this just to satisfy the bug in both of us. I hope you guys know where this bug resides in human body.
Gaurav, how's the Josh?
Hi sir.
Perfect.
How's the Josh?
Hi sir.
Hi sir.
This is the craziest thing we are doing.
I can just request you all, please don't do this if anybody unconsciously still doing it. And if you find someone throwing trash like this, with all your love try to make them understand that this planet is our home and we don't litter here and there where we live. And by this we ended our day at Khajjiar and came back to Chamba. In between, we both saw an amazing talented boy who was rolling down the hill on his homemade skates. Unbelievable it is.
क्या नाम है आपका? चलो, bye bye, good one.
And at our guest house, we once again had a bonfire with Amit Bhaiya and cooked our food as usual. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel and stay tuned. We'll be taking you to Harmandir Sahib Gurdwara in my next trip. Until then, have a wonderful time.
आराम से भैया, आराम से खाना खाएंगे हम अभी. हाउ इज इट?
अपने हाथ की बनी हुई चीज की बात ही अलग होती है। अलग आगे चाहे कैसी भी बनी हो।
ये तो तुम बोल ही दो।
भैया बहुत सही जगह रहते हो।
वो विष्णु से पता है।
That's the first view. I mean like वो पहले बोलना था ये सब बातें।
What the man?